spice works really well for food, but pumpkin spice scented things is kind of questionable. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Samantha if you don't know who I am. And it's Halloween, guys. Well, hopefully it's Halloween when you guys are watching this. If it is November 1st, that means I didn't edit fast enough, but hopefully it's Halloween. And let me know down below what you guys are dressing up as for Halloween. I'm actually working on Halloween, which is really lame. So I don't think I'm gonna dress up as anything. I'm gonna be, you know what I'm gonna be a broke college student. So this video is, as you can see by the title, it is gonna be a Trader Joe's fall haul slash taste test, trying all of their like pumpkin spice fall themed items. I have a bag right here of all the Trader Joe's goodies, and I don't have a reusable bag, which I know is so bad, but I meant to get one the last time I went, but they just didn't have any of the ones I liked, and they were sold out of like all the nice ones. So I didn't get one, so I paid 5 cents for this. I am planning to get a reusable bag soon. It's just not happening today. But let's just get right on into it. So I bought one of their limited edition fall candles. This is the Trader Joe's Honey Crisp Apple Scented Candle, and it's just so cute. So we're gonna set the tone here. Apples, yes, I feel like I'm at a pumpkin patch picking apples. Okay, I don't know why this lighter has such a scary flame. Like, that's terrifying. Okay, there we go. So we got our scented candle. Like, let's set the tone for this video. I got really in the spirit. I have like pumpkin decorated plates too. Okay, I'm so festive. Okay, now that I have my pumpkin plate, I can start to try all the goodies. So the first thing are these organic frosted toaster pastries, pumpkin flavored. Really, it's just like a Pop-Tart. And I don't know, let's just see how these are. I'm excited to try them. I've had the strawberry flavor before, and it was pretty good. It's just like that. I'm gonna be on like a sugar high after this. You guys will see a common theme. I basically got all like sugary snacks. Oh, that was kind of disappointing. Here's what it looks like. I'm not gonna give up just yet before I actually taste it. You know, I'm not gonna lie, the strawberry ones are a lot better. This is kind of plain, I don't know. What a way to start the video. I'm sad. I feel like these are good for like an on-the-go breakfast food and like on your way to class or something if you don't want something too sugary. But I'm hoping for like a late night snack. Like, it's like 2 a.m. right now. This is kind of disappointing. These aren't that good. It's made out of wheat, maybe that's why, but the strawberry ones are made out of wheat too, and they're actually good. I don't know what it is. It's just like, this just didn't do it for me. I'm sorry. I hate to start the video off negatively, but these are just not it. Next item we have, this is embarrassing, but these are these chocolate mousse pumpkins, and I've already eaten these because I seriously went to Trader Joe's like 4 days ago, and all these snacks have just been sitting in my room, and that's hard, you guys. Like, I wanted to eat it all, but I couldn't because I had to wait to film this video. So the box comes with like 6 of the little cake things, and they're so cute. I think that's really what gets me. Like, they just look like little cupcake snacks. So good. These will 100% satisfy any chocolate craving you have. I can't even think of what they remind me of, but the top is like kind of like a thick mousse and the bottom's like a cake, and then it's surrounded by this like orange frosting. It's just so good. It's really sweet, but literally it's the perfect thing, you know, like after dinner when you want like a little snack. Like, this is like the perfect like bite-sized option. This is so good. I'm gonna eat the whole thing. I just realized this is my first mukbang. I don't think I've ever eaten on camera. Next, we're gonna do a beverage just to like switch things up a bit. I didn't see any like pumpkin flavored beverages, sadly, but this is just a fall themed haul. So these are the organic cold press spice ciders. They are actually really good. I've had them before. It's pretty healthy. You know, people say if your ingredients list is like 3 or less, that's how you know it's really good for you or something. So it's literally just organic apple juice, cinnamon powder, and then dried cloves, and that's it. It is really good. So there's no added sugars, which is awesome. Oh my gosh, so good. It's so just like naturally sweet from the apples. As soon as Trader Joe's comes out with their apple cider, I don't even hesitate. Like, a lot of these items I'm like, maybe I shouldn't, but this I didn't even think twice. I'm like, I'm buying it. Next item we have is orange bars. And if you guys didn't know, they have pumpkin flavored And these are like literally my go-to. I'm not always like a huge pumpkin fan. You know, like some things like the pumpkin Oreos, like no, cannot do those. And there's just some pumpkin flavored things that don't work. Like only the original works, but pumpkin RX bars are a thing, you guys. These are another one of those things that have like really natural ingredients, super raw. It's not like overbearing, the pumpkin spice flavor. It's just a little like hint of pumpkin spice, but you really taste like the almonds and the dates in there. So these are super good. Honestly, if you guys are getting RX bars, like you might as well try the pumpkin flavor because they're limited edition. So here is the next item. It's actually one of their like pre-box cakes, the cinnamon crumb coffee cake. And I actually already made it earlier today, so we're gonna cut to that clip right now.
I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out.
Coffee cake right there. It kind of looks a little funny because I don't know why it looks funny, honestly. It just doesn't look exactly like the picture. I feel like I don't have enough batter. I don't know, but whatever. Let's just try it. So expectations versus reality. Okay, let's see how this goes. I wanted to save like the best for last and do like a whole little like meal situation. So I got the pumpkin spice almond beverage, and I'm gonna have that with my cake, you know, like a little like coffee cake with milk on the side. Ooh, that actually looks really good. I'm honestly like not the biggest fan of almond milk. I don't know, it kind of just tastes like really bland to me. Like I prefer soy milk, but it looks really yummy. So cheers. Okay. This is pretty good. It's better than almond milk, I will say. Like just regular almond milk is so bland to me, so this definitely adds that like extra flavor to it. And I just think this is gonna be really good for coffees in the morning, honestly. Like just use this as your creamer. I feel like that would be really good. First bite, guys. Well, it definitely tastes like coffee cake. This is pretty good. There is one other item I didn't take to show you guys, and that is the pumpkin spice face mask. And I'm actually gonna take off my makeup real quick so I can actually like tell you guys what I think about it, or else it's like what's the point of showing it. So be right back. Okay, hi, I'm back with a clean face, no makeup on, and I'm ready to use my mask. I hope it's moisturizing. It says seasonally spiced with scents from clove leaf, orange peel, and ginger root oils. This gel-like mask is set to smooth and moisturize your face, blah 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 blah. Yeah, so that's good because my face wash has tea tree oil in it, and it does a really good job of like taking up all my makeup and stuff, and then always leaves my face kind of dry. So this will be really nice. Okay, I was thinking, I was like, I wonder if it's gonna be orange or if it's gonna be white, and it's just white. That's okay. The pumpkin spice scent really is not that strong. Interesting. Here we go. Okay, it's definitely doing some tingly sensations to me around like this lower region. I'm setting a timer for 20 minutes and I'm gonna stop talking, and I will catch up with you guys when it's time to take off the mask.
A few moments later.
Wow. My skin definitely feels pretty moisturized. I just don't like the sizing of that sheet. I feel like it just really didn't fit my face well, and the edges were kind of coming off, so it didn't really get like the bottom of my face. The mask was good. I liked it. It was like a nice little change of things. I never wear face masks, even though I should, because I have really dry skin. But I didn't feel like the pumpkin spice scent very much. Like it honestly just smelled normal to me. So I don't know if that's because I can't tell, but I really did not smell anything. Like it smelled normal to me. But my face feels all like smooth now, and there's like a nice layer of the face mask on me. Well, that is it for all of the items slash snacks slash products that I'm gonna try from Trader Joe's. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you liked anything you saw here, make sure you go to Trader Joe's quick, because pretty soon they're gonna be like changing to like full Christmas mode. You guys know how it is once November 1st hits, so definitely go to Trader Joe's and get these items. There's still so much stuff I didn't try, but if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and have a fun and safe Halloween. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I am who I'm meant to be. I am who I'm meant to be. Over and out again. My future future needed clarity, so I could see how